Now, for this kind of question, we noted that we should eventually have some x and y terms on the left-hand side or right-hand side. And also, the strategy is to move all the x terms to the left-hand side and all the y terms to the right-hand side before we further simplifying the equation to get something like x over y. Now, we are given an algebraic fraction. So first thing is to remove the denominator. So to remove the denominator 7x minus 4y, we will multiply both sides by 7x minus 4y. Now by doing so, we are going to eliminate the denominator because as they divide, they becomes 1. Similarly, to remove the 4 on the right hand side, which is the denominator, we multiply by 4 on both sides. So when we multiply by 4 on both sides, similarly, this 4 and 4 will cancel off. Actually, they become 1. And the simplified version of what we have will be 4 bracket 3x minus 5y, which is from here and here, equals to 3 times 7x minus 4y. So now we have successfully removed the denominator. The next thing is to expand it. So expanding the left-hand side, we get 12x minus 20y. And expanding the right-hand side, we have 21x minus 12y. So pulling all the x terms to the left-hand side, we will get 12x minus 21x on the left-hand side of the equation. And whereas we are going to have all the y terms on the right-hand side, which means here we are going to copy this negative 12y. And to remove this negative 20y, we have to add 20y to both sides of the equation. So with this, we are going to simplify the equation each side first. 12x minus 21x will give us negative 9x. Whereas on the right hand side of the equation, we have negative 12y plus 20y giving us 8y. So remember, we wanted to get something which is x over y, as shown here. So to do this, first we remove this negative 9 first. Since it is negative 9 times x, we shall divide both sides by negative 9 and we will get this. Now, this is only x on the left hand side. Remember, we need x over y. So we divide both sides by y and here we will get x over y. And the right hand side, we will get 8 out of negative 9 because this particular y, once we divide by y, it will be gone. Answer 8 over negative 9.